Chief Platinum. We have $200 in the machine. Playing Chief Platinum. Let's try it out. Here we go, 200 in the machine. Let's start off with 80 cent bets. Oh. Good line pay. I like your style. Ha! Here we go. Nice. All right, let's go to $1.60 bet. Oh, come they couldn't be on the left side. Two more. I heard this is a very volatile game. We will see. Might keep it at two more coins. Ayah. Two more coins. Oh. I got 2 coins there. Hey. Hey. Ha. There we go. Here we go. Nice. I think I'm gonna keep it at this bet for a while to see what happens. It's kind of paying back. Maybe I spoke too soon. Extra wilds. All right, let's go up to $2.40 bet. Here we go. Oh. $3 back. 2 coins. All right, times 5. I wanted to fill up all buffaloes. Chief Platinum. Here we go. Boom. 2 more. How come I can't start on the left side, those buffaloes? 2 more. Ah. Wow. It's missing. All right, let's do a few $4.80 bets. All right, here we go. 2 cent denom, $1.60 bet. Nothing. Oh man, somebody farted. One more! Maybe that was a good sign. Somebody farted and I got these coins coming. All right. Plus 25 Chiefs. Here we go. More buffalo. Here we go. More buffalo. Boom. All right. All the way to the end. Good line pay. Oh, snaps. Chief. This is incredible. That's what it says there. What's an incredible win? $36 is an incredible win. That's better than nothing, right? Two more. I just want the bonus round. I want the 2 more coins. Let's go. Uh-huh. Two coins. Here we go. 2 coins. Nope. Let's get the bonus round, please. Here we go. $3.20 bet. A lot of buffaloes. All right, here we go. $4 back. Where are the coins? All right, let's change it to 5-cent denom. $4 bets for a while. Buffalo. $5 back. Okay. Oh, you're pure magic. $22 win. Where are the coins? And I haven't seen any coins. Hardly. 2 more. One more. One more. One more. Here we go. More buffalo. $5.50 back. Okay. All right, let's see. How much is this? This is $8 bet. We're gonna go back down to 2 cent. Actually, hold on. Let's go to 1 cent and $2.40 bets. Let's stick it out with this bet. See if anything happens right now. All right. I feel the coin is coming soon. Soon. Now. All right, let's go down to $1.60 bets, huh? You think I'm gonna get it now? Oh my god. I got it. I got it. Finally. Cashing out after this. I have $35 left. Let's see what happens. Oh, alright. Well, wish me luck. Plus 2 games. Plus 25 Chiefs. Alright. $1.60 bet. 1 cent denom. Let's see how this goes. Coin. 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 Just a coin. Give me a coin. Koji had a theory.
So like everybody says that Vegas is dead, even though we see a lot of people driving around everywhere.
Yeah.
But people say there's less money being thrown around in Vegas. So I feel like maybe they're tightening up the slots.
It feels like it.
Because we've seen an insane like streak of losses with really bad bonuses. Like the bonuses have been shockingly bad, like almost like not even break even bonuses.
Yeah, it's been bad.
I feel like Vegas is tightening the algorithm.
We have not gotten a good bonus at all on this trip.
That's true.
Well, we're done with the Rio. Good night. Well, lost wages. That term is actually really true. Rio, we appreciate the room. We actually paid for this room in many ways. Time to go.